Hey, what's up, guys? Got some parts in the mail for the Evo, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys so you can see what I got here. This what I got right here, I've been looking for a while. It's actually something that I could have done with my stock parts, but I really didn't want to go through the headache and trial and error of doing it myself. So I'll open it and kind of explain it to you guys. See, USPS. Luckily, I'm gonna recoat this, repowder coat it, so I don't really care. But it did get a little banged up in the corner, which is fine. So what we have here is a new valve cover. And you guys might be thinking like, hey, Sean, why'd you, actually it's a used valve cover. You might be thinking, hey, Sean, why did you get a used valve cover, especially a blue one? Like, do you really want to do blue? I actually got this valve cover because it's special, all right? It's just a normal Evo 8 valve cover. All right, no cracks or anything crazy on it. I'm going to take this off, this English Racing, because they're way far away from me. I don't ever want to go to them. But they do really good work. But I got this valve cover because of this, actually. You want to zoom in right here? So normally these have rivets that hold these baffles in. Go ahead and back out a little bit. Normally they're riveted in, but these ones have been drilled and they've been tapped, and they have these screws with Loctite on them. A lot of you guys don't know, but on these Evo 8 and Evo 9 valve covers, these baffles, whenever you powder coat the valve cover, they sandblast it first to take all the powder coating off. So removing the baffles is tricky. You could always remove them, but putting them back in is difficult. So this guy has already tapped them for me, so it takes a lot of the time out. I'm just gonna unscrew these baffles, take them out, and get this thing powder coated. Probably get it powder coated next week. I'm not gonna show you guys the color that I'm gonna do on the motor, but just know it's gonna be different than this. All right, although this does look pretty good. I ended up picking this valve cover up for $140 or $150 shipped. So I'm really active on all the Evo buy-sell trade groups, so I'm always looking on there. He put it up for sale, and within about 5 minutes I sent him the money for it because I've been looking for one of these. So I'll be putting my valve cover up for sale. It is painted silver, so I'll be getting rid of that. So if you guys are looking, definitely keep an eye out on the buy-sell trade groups and everything like that. But that's pretty much all I got for today. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if you guys have any questions. I know a lot of you guys have powder coated the valve covers and not had issues, but some people have powder coated them with the baffles on, and they've actually gotten media or like dust or sand from the sandblasting inside their motor, and they've actually blown their motors because of it. So I don't even want to take the chance, so I'm going to be throwing this on. I took the head to the machine shop today, so I get the valves in the mail on Friday, and should be having that head back sometime next week so I can put it on the car. Do the timing component. Sorry, that's my dog over there. Should be getting the car up and running in the next few weeks. All right, so stay tuned. Thanks.